Nobody likes to make mistakes, but it's an essential part of being human and a great way to learn and to gain valuable lessons. Unfortunately, it's quite common to judge ourselves very harshly for the mistakes that we make. And in reality, that voice in our heads that judges us comes most often from childhood, when the punishment reward system teaches us to deeply fear being wrong. By following this 3-step process, it's very simple. You'll make the most out of your mistakes, and you'll avoid the painful self-judgment that further makes you likely to repeat the same mistake twice. So the next time you make a mistake, I want you to think of something called ICA. The I stands for inquiry. Ask yourself, what was going on in your mind when you made the mistake? You got mad and snapped at a loved one because you were worrying about something at the time, or you were worrying about them? What unmet needs did you have at the time that led to that mistake? If you failed at a task, what meaning were you giving to the situation? Maybe something like, I'm not good enough. I can't do this. It's not possible. What does your internal dialogue, your internal critic have to say about your mistake? And is it true? That story you have that you're not capable, that you can't do it. Is it true? Was it true when you made the mistake? You want to question whether or not the stories you're telling yourself about your mistake and about your life are even accurate to begin with, so that you're not suffering over nothing. Maybe you feel as though you're not good enough or you're unlovable. Can you know that with 100% certainty? Can you know that you'll be alone forever? No. The next letter, C, in our 3-step method, stands for compassion. This means be compassionate with yourself. Take into consideration the factors that led you to make your mistake. Of course, you're going to make a mistake when you're feeling like you're just about to be abandoned or left alone forever, or when you think that you're not capable because of a painful program you picked up somewhere along the way. Understand that you did the best you could in that moment with what was available to you at the time and with what you were going through. Move the needle from giving yourself conditional self-love only when you think you're deserving of being kind to yourself, to unconditional self-love, being able to give yourself love and kindness and compassion even when you mess up. Isn't that what you want from others? So why do you not give that to yourself? The A in our 3-step method stands for accountability. Identify what you needed to do instead. Identify what skills or actions or attitudes might have led to a different outcome, and create strategies to prevent the same mistake from happening in the future. Or make an accountability plan if you have to go back and take ownership or apologize or do whatever you need to do to make things right. Make amends if necessary. Take responsibility when and where you can. And most importantly, be kind to yourself in the process of doing so. And try your very best to be grateful for the opportunity to extract a golden nugget of learning from the mistake so that you can continuously improve as a person. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it with somebody. And to learn more about improving your relationships and transforming your life, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit www.personaldevelopmentschool.com for some really in-depth courses.